Boss. Boss.
Yes, sir.
I want to bring order for me now.
It's okay. You can wait, sir. I have a 5 customer first, but
No.
next for you.
No, because I want journey. You have
Oh
meeting
my God,
now.
boss. Sorry, boss. Because nun is...
Tinatawag na ako. May ano,
Ayun na ako mausap dito, ha? Nakakapikon to, hindi ko maintindihan.
Brother. Brother.
Boss, please wait. I have a lot of customer, boss. Please.
Okay, see. This one. You have money. Can't
What
bring.
you want, boss?
One Americano con.
Oh, marketing skill, boss.
Okay.
I make you first. If you have money involved, no problem.
Thank you. Oh, I want this one.
Panis ko tayo?
No.
What?
Americano con.
Ay, wow, boss. I give you very nice. Okay.
Okay.
Huwag ngayon mga master. Porkit nagbibigay ng tip, uunahin nyo. Unahin nyo pa rin kung sinong naunang mag-order. Huwag yung may binibigay na tip. Masama yan mga master. Huwag tayong magpapasilaw sa pera mga master. Boss, your coffee is ready. Thank you.